Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open OBS and focus on the Sources box at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus icon and choose Media Source to add a music file. Name the source clearly so you can find it later. Check Loop if you want continuous playback during your stream. Uncheck Restart Playback when source becomes active if you prefer seamless switching. Use the Browse button to select an MP3 or WAV file from your drive. Click OK to import the file and show it in Sources. Locate the audio mixer next to your sources list to control levels precisely. Use the mixer slider to set background music level, typically between -18 dB and -30 dB. Click the gear icon on the source and choose Advanced Audio Properties for routing options. Set the audio monitor to monitor and output if you need to hear music locally while sending it to the stream. Use sync offset in milliseconds if the music is out of sync with other sources. Adjust sliders until voice and music balance comfortably for listeners. Open Settings and go to Hotkeys to assign keys for play, pause, or mute actions. Assign hotkeys in Settings to toggle music, mute, or change volume quickly during a live session. You can add filters to the media source to shape the audio tone and level. Add a gain filter to raise or lower volume by specific decibels, like +6 dB when needed. Use a compressor filter to smooth peaks and keep music from overpowering speech on the stream. Test hotkeys and filters before going live to ensure reliable control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.